About 4.6 billion years ago, a young planet was born into the vast universe. This planet, the Earth, is our home, and is the most habitable planet we have ever known. After its birth, enormous changes have taken place in terms of its appearance and ecological system. Since the Industrial Revolution, the environment has gradually worsened with the rise of carbon dioxide levels. Ozone depletion and frequent pollution. Over the past century, desertification has become more serious owing to the reduced vegetation coverage amid rising surface temperatures. Melting glaciers and the rising global sea level will eventually cause some islands and coastal cities to be inundated. It is estimated that the Indian archipelago will wipe off the map in 1 century at the current mountain rate. Global climate change has wreaked havoc with the ecological system. Extreme weather events have become more frequent. Sandstorm, smog, and forest fires are injuring our